Hello guys, again in OGS Mechanics workshop. Today a Volvo XC90, the new shape, built from 2015. Customer has reported this vehicle in having issues opening the door, the rear door, rear right. Apparently is an issue that can also happening in the rear left. What it was, the door mechanism, this is the door mechanism, has gone faulty and the central locking was no longer operating. Now this seems to be a fault that Volvo is aware of, and what they do, they build on the new locks, they build an additional cover, which basically what it does, it protects the lock from water ingress. So the original one, in time it had water leaking onto, and it has caused the mechanism to fail, eventually causing the door not to open. It was quite a difficult procedure to try to open the door when the door card was on, and obviously, as mentioned, the central locking not operating. So if you have a Volvo XC90, the one built after 2015, there's an upgrade for the rear lock, rear door lock. There's a cover, this white plastic. It goes on top of the lock, say protects the cover. Yeah, that's a video with a common problem that you should expect if you have a Volvo XC90. And again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, daily activity. Here we do anything from general servicing to repairs and programming, coding and advanced diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.